Hi, all the Donut SMP players. I gonna open now amethyst. I gonna buy a amethyst key chest because uh yeah I have sit in in the AFK arena in 4,000 for 40 minutes, around that. And but I don't know if I should take the amethyst Celax. I know that never I gonna take because it's sucks. But maybe the amethyst axe or amethyst pickaxe, because shovel you don't get so much money from from sand. But you can mine big spaces with this, so you can find many things or build a big base. But this you can have to yeah uh, hold threes in that. So I must think about that.